It keeps me humble just to know exactly where I came from and all the hard work I had to put in to be here. It feels good to reminisce about the past. The three ordinary things that we often don't pay enough attention to, but which I believe are the drivers of all success, are hard work, perseverance, and basic honesty. I think the best way to get a good night's sleep is to work hard. Throughout the day, if you work hard, of course, work out. New knowledge is the most valuable commodity on earth. The more truth we have to work with, the richer we become. I enjoy the work. I enjoy every minute of my professional life. That's something that I have to work on, self-confidence and loving myself. Recovery is something that you have to work on every single day, and it's something that it doesn't get a day off. Persistence and resilience only come from having been given the chance to work through difficult problems. Some people see things that are and ask why. Some people dream of things that never were and ask why not. Some people have to go to work and don't have time for all that. One of the symptoms of an approaching nervous breakdown is the belief that one's work is terribly important. The only place success comes before work is the dictionary. Only true love can fuel the hard work that awaits you. Most people work just hard enough not to get fired and get paid just enough money not to quit.